who are lack professional skills or the vocational skills and have the academic degree.
I
And
do
it is
agree
a-
with you that
When as you said that companies want only AI, as we know in India AI is developing more, and we know that due to it in future AI will take place of humans in the companies and would work as a human robotic human workers in companies, and due to it the rate of unemployment will increase more, and due to it the poverty will also increase in it.
I partially agree with you that
Humans should
2021 as we never replace everyone like the human of the jobs.
Humans should work with
We
the AI,
should
not
be
just
taking
try to
the
live by
AI
it.
as our work tool in creating more jobs. AI will never replace the human creativity. It can only create images. It can only create the what human are thinking of.
AI
We
is
can-
not creating the not creating the unemployment, but AI also giving chance to the people to find the job for them. AI also means AI giving them opportunity to work with the AI. Many IT sector AI is people are working with the AI. They are handling the AI and they are learning to how to handle AI and how to do coding and many more things.
I
And I
agree
guess
with
it's
you.
also that you also said, as you said, and it starts from the primary level education. In schools also, students are said to be that they have to score good marks and they have to focus on theory rather than be practical.
As
I
a
agree
primary
with
education,
AI
AI is helping
university
in
mostly rely on the rote learning, rather highly rely on the rote learning rather than teaching the practical knowledge to the students. Therefore, the teachers must focus on the practical learning like the AI codings and legislation.
I agree.
I agree.
AI automation. India lacks employable talent.
Many
India
farmers
lacks
using
employable
AI,
talent, but it has large number of people in the youth force. India has the potential of the young youths, but it lacks the employable talent.
I agree
Yes,
with you,
India is
Samara,
home to the
one
1.4
as we see
million
that
people, and
there are
many of them are
29.1%
entrepreneurs, athletes,
unemployment
doctors,
rate in
and they are helping in various.
Skill gap is not only one of the reason for the unemployment, but also the increasing population of India. As we know, India is ranking first in the world in population, and due to it, the unemployment is increasing. As we know that there was a case, there was a law implemented in Delhi for some years that a couple should have only two childs. Per couple should have only two childs, and this law should be implemented now as well, so that the population would decrease and the unemployment rate would also decrease.
But also the fast forward is that the government should take responsibility for AI schemes and it is for them. Like Pradhan Mantri Yojana, where government should give them skills and certificates for and made them easier to first qualifying do their exams.
I agree with aspect number 32 that the government has
The government
introduced
has introduced
several
schemes
schemes
like
like
Manrega
Skill
and
India Mission
Ground
and Digital India.
India has introduced all these skills, but as we see that the population is high and we don't have much infrastructure for all of these plans.
While not population is not the only problem, the problem is also their skills. Skills also matters on them, and they are not being told that how many jobs that they could perform. Like in rural areas, they only know about farming. They do not know how much job opportunities are available in today's terms in.
As we
On
know,
addition to
not
the
only
point of
skill gap, but
technology,
also many people
we should
now the
take learn
corruption is
from our
increasing more in
USA.
government,
That is
and
the
how the
largest
government is
economy
how
of the world.
corruption is
They
increasing
promote
government. As many
entrepreneurship.
students,
They
village
promote
students
the
only
business,
before as
self-business,
government
and self-employment.
exams
The
for their
business
jobs
is
like
there for the
they
people.
also
They don't
they
focus on the
many
people
students
who
were
are
not deserving for it. They just pay 2 to 3 lakhs around rupees, and they just get the government job for free and on the fake certificates. As we know in NEET case, the NEET leak paper now that many 13 of them were being arrested on it, and due to it there was a hunger protest of students, and due to it many students left their interest in NEET, and they just think that they can't do anything. That was their only first and last chance, and due to it also they stop their interest in hard working, and they leave their hopes, and due to it also unemployment is.
Unemployment rate is proportionally high. That is the 15%. The government is focusing more on employable workers, and it is providing vocational skills through the scheme, that is the skill loans scheme, which has provided 7.5 lakhs to every individual as loan, and just to pursue technical courses for the school and college dropouts. Moreover, adding to the point
India Mission, in which government is giving vocational skill training to the employers that are not able to get job in the companies, so that they can get jobs The another is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, in which government is giving short-term training to the employers and certificate to the employers so they can get certified and get job in growing countries. The government is giving also rewards to the companies which are hiring the first-time jobs seekers and let them uplift and growing them help countries.
More than 20% of that is constructed of the 99,000 crore rupees in the India in such a yojana, that is the PM Modi Bharat Rozgar Yojana, to target the company to create 3.5 crore jobs for the just to cope up with the unemployment rate.
As we know, unemployment is that we think only unemployment is due to the big companies not employing humans as their workers. But we know, as I will take one example of slum area in Dharavi, that is in Mumbai, which is the biggest slum area in India, in all over Asia. It is the biggest slum area. There, people are not dependent on the companies. They make their own. They are employed by them their own skills, and they are making. As we know, there is a biggest textile company in Mumbai. It is located in Dharavi. As there, the people's when one team which went as they were thinking that an employment rate there would be more, but they got to know that they are employed as they create their own employment.
Entrepreneurship and also business to the all over the India. The scheme name is the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, which has provided the people with the loans of free of just a minimal interest to promote and entrepreneurship, with self-employment and business.
I agree with this number one that we not should only depend on the vocational skill and other things. We should also depend on self-employment skill and promoting entrepreneurship skill to the persons who are not able to find job, and to create their own companies and provide job to them who are not able to get the job on the basis of their
Government is
degree or-
trying to government many manufacturing industries and startups where people can be employed easily, and this can be create many jobs like Zepto and Swiggy. Government is supporting them and giving them awards by which they can grow faster and create more employment opportunity with them.
I agree with just number 32. But one other main reason behind unemployment is shifting from primary to direct service sector. We don't much focus in 90s. We don't much focus in manufacturing sectors. Due to that, our employment rate is very low and our skill labor is very low.
I agree with statement number 3 that many people move from villages to town in the search of work, creating urban infrastructure and rural employment. Rural to urban migration can lead to bad urban infrastructure and also bad employment.
I agree with statement number 2 that migrating to cities can affect the.
On addition to the point of chess plate number 8, from migrating from the villages to the town increases the population of that particular cities, and also there is a stiff competition between the unemployed rate that are present in the cities and the migrated unemployed who are hoping to get the better future in that area.
Not only people are migrating from the villages to town, but they are also traveling abroad in search of their jobs and for their good livelihood. As we know, in future we need due to the increasing budget, due to the increasing budget, and due to less salaries in the companies, many people are working abroad to get more salaries, and due to it also in India, many companies are not paying attention towards those students, those who are really deserving for it, and due to it also the unemployment rate is also increasing. As we know, due to it the people are not interested in working in India. They just say that India is not having much facilities, but